Hey, good morning, traders. With all the crazy action been going on here in Bitcoin lately, um, some people might want to get in on the action. Now, if you trade the futures, let's look here at the Bitcoin future. The Bitcoin future, this is a very expensive product. Currently at over $70,000 per Bitcoin, and as you can see. Bitcoin does trade options. As you can see, the series here 25 days out, 60 days out, 88 days out. And if you open up, you can see the open interest here is not that many, due to the fact, obviously, it's a very capital intensive instrument to trade. Now, having said that, there's another way you can trade Bitcoin, but I need to caution you before you do it. It's ticker symbol BITO, BITO, and we'll look at it here in just a minute. But as you can see right here, futures contracts, if you don't know them, they're not they don't have an indefinite life. They are set just almost like an option. They expire. And what BITO does is they invest in the Bitcoin futures options. But when they go from one series to the next, they have what they call futures roll, just like rolling an option. If you're selling a put or a call and you roll it from 1 month to the next, it involves carry cost. Now, if you can look right here, as you can see, this is the current month we're trading, 25 days left in the contract, and Bitcoin is right around 69,980. We'll call it 70 grand. All right. Well, when they decide to roll, and I'm not sure what day they roll, you have to do your research if you're interested in this. I'm just pointing this out to you. As you can see, the next series, which is about 35 days down the road, it's pricing the Bitcoin at 70, we'll say 71,000. So how many ever Bitcoin futures BITO would own at 70,000, they're going to have to pay up round numbers of $1,000 per coin per contract in order to carry it. And as you can see, the following month, it's $71,250. Now, this is what the futures are anticipating that Bitcoin is going to be in 60 days. It's going to be about $1,000 more than it is. Is that right, wrong, or indifferent? Who knows? But just be aware that this will probably have an impact on the price of BITO. And being the fact they're going to have to pay up probably means that the price will come down of the BITO. So now that you're aware of that, let's take a look at the BITO. BITO is trading at 32.29. That's what it closed at on Friday, a much more reasonable priced instrument to trade. And if you go out to this Friday, 4 days away, you look at the open interest on the options. There's a lot of open interest. This is a very liquid, very tradable product. The bid ask is only 2 cents apart. So yeah, you're going to get reasonable fills. So having said that, you could, based on, you see the options were showing it's going to be $1,000 more next month than it is, or next contract, excuse me, than it is today. You could buy an at the money call, which we'll say here, 32, you're looking paying 99 cents or $99 for it. And if this continues to go up, well, you would benefit from that. Or you could do anything. You trade an iron condor on it. You could trade spreads on it. What I was thinking about doing is giving it a shot, looking at the biggest open interest in the put side with over 4,000 contracts is the 31 put that's going to expire in 4 days. pricing in $1.23, $123. Decent risk reward if it holds up. So let's kind of look at a chart here and see what BITO has been doing chart wise. Let's look at it for a whole month. Well, as you can see, for a whole month, it has gone from around $13 or $14 to $32. It's just absolutely been on a tear. So is the tear going to continue to go? Who knows? But that's one way to play it. If you decide to dive into the world of Bitcoin for a much more reasonable trading vehicle, good luck to you.